Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph, man, back with another video. Let's get straight into it. What do we got today, man? I think this one is super special, bro. This is the limited edition Starfield Xbox Series X and S controller, man. This thing really is nice and really great limited edition controller, man. I like this. Turn to the side here. You just see this controller and kind of this outer space theme in all its glory here. Look on the back here, you're going to get some more stuff. And then you already know what the presets are, batteries, what it works for, Android, iOS, so on and so forth, right? So with that, man, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Oh my goodness, there we go. And now let's go ahead and open it up. Yeah, man, let's get it. Oh my goodness, man. This controller is sick, bro. I mean, whew. This is a pretty nice one right here, guys. Let's take her out for just a little second here. I'm gonna take it out, set it to the side, and continue to go through. Okay, shots out. Comes with 2 Duracell batteries. And then on the inside here, man, it's a lot of hidden gems within this. So you would think it's something on the inside here. It's not. It's just more, space. But it says for all, okay, for all into the Starfield. And then you get this constellation stuff all around here. Constellation little circle there. Journeying out to the galaxy. You lift this up here. Literature. So you can set that back down. I'm not going to read that. But I just like the branding that they did on this. Really cool. But that's enough of that, man. So set this to the side. With that, let's go ahead and, set the batteries too. With that, let's go ahead and look at our controller. Again, man, this controller is slick, bro. So right here, you can see you got the power, the texture grips right here. It tells you to scan your mode. And then what I really like is all the different colorway that's up under here, man. Do you see that? That red on top of the gray with the white. You got the copper aluminized D-pad here. Yeah, that's pretty slick. And then the translucent buttons, man. And then you get all of this constellation stuff. It kind of makes you feel like you're inside of a jet or something like that. You have flight control, exit, mode, grip, and I mean, just throttle, like, let's go. All these different things, right? This grip on here is really textury. It's really grippy, and you will definitely like it. Like, yeah, it's grippy and you're not going to lose hold of this. Now, a lot of people said this was a rainbow. No, this is actually the constellation colors there. So you get that. As we turn it to the side here, we see the gray grip on top of the dark gray. And then look at this, man. It says property of constellation. Like, I really, really like that. It's showing battery power, things like that. It tells you all of your flight information on here. Like, they really went in with this controller. And then we have the constellation insignia right there. Now, I thought this was really cool. When you open this up, look what it says right here. For all into the Starfield, man. Like, that's really, really slick, bro. I really like that. And then you see all of the, I think these are the different planets that you can go to, so on and so forth. So we'll get a chance to look at that when the game comes out. And then as you look on the side right here, like, I'll get a game going, maybe a later vid to show you. But when you turn this on and you're playing your game, the little rumble copper in the back, you can see that it's translucent. That kind of lights up when you're playing here. So all in all, man, I've had a few limited edition controllers, the 10th anniversary, a few other ones. I can't think of the ones I had. Oh, the Forza one and so on and so forth. But by far, man, this is turning out to be my favorite controller. I mean, it's really, really grippy. And I mean, playing Constellation, playing Starfield with this is really going to just feel really cool, man. Again, I really love how they did this red on the white with the gray, really great color scheme. I mean, this is sick, bro. This by far is my favorite controller this year. And should we call this the Game of the Year controller? Are we speaking too early? So let's see, man. But enough talking. We got our controller. Let's get into some Starfield. I think it comes out in September, so we got another month to go. But let's get into some Starfield with our new controller, right? Until the next video, man, it's been Steph. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the next video, guys. Let's get it.